Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Simple Auto Detailing. Today we got a 2022 Hyundai Palisade Limited. This thing is just coming in for a maintenance wash. It's pretty dirty from all the rainy season here in El Paso, Texas. So as you can tell, it's been dirty. So let's get a closer look, shall we? See, it just needs a good wash on the outside, but we're gonna of course take care of those wheels and the exterior paint. So this package deal is a maintenance package, but it's also called Simple Express. So let's get started on this detail. Okay, so we're going to be starting off cleaning off those wheel wells. They're full of mud and rain debris from the roads when the roads are all wet. And here I go with an all-purpose cleaner, and then of course some cinematic shots now. And we're going to be scrubbing those wheel wells because they were caked on, and that all-purpose is getting through quite nicely. Okay, we're gonna go in some Meguiar's wheel cleaner, and these tires had a lot of blooming on them. They were brown, and for being brand new, I was very shocked by that. And now I'm just spraying off the brush every time I use it. Now we're gonna use Meguiar's wheel cleaner, and then I have Adams in that foam cannon handheld thingy. I forgot what it was called. I can't remember what it was called. But yes, Adam's car soap, and then I'm using the long brush to get in those back of those rims, getting it between every spoke, getting it nice and clean. And then I just got this from the chemical guy's shop at the hand mitt, and I absolutely like it. It gets into the nook and crannies and right between those wheel spokes, because man, these wheels are a pain in the butt to get in between and get behind those spokes. So I'm very happy to purchase those. And of course, we're gonna do our pre-rinse off this vehicle. Like I said, it was just a maintenance wash. It really just needs a good rinse off. But after getting to the side panels, I noticed they were caked on from all the raining and all the debris from the road. So here we go with the foam cannon, and this time I am using Adam's car soap because how hot it was. It was 105 today, and I know with this soap it won't leave spots on the car because it was so hot. I know this has a good pH balance, especially for the sun. So here we are with the 2-bucket method. We're going to go around those windows and get those trims done where the midwife might miss it. like to go again for a second foam cannon on my vehicles that I like to detail. To me, it just feels like it's lifting up more, and it just, after doing the hand wash, it just removes more after. That's my opinion, but it works for me.
But I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
Alright, so here I am going to finally show the interior process, what I do in the last videos. So here I am getting the detail brush and then getting in all the nooks and crannies where the dust might be laying in. So we've been using the vacuum to get it all out.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing else.
trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
This detail took longer than it should have. Instead of being a 3-hour, took almost to 6 hours now. There was an issue with that dash. I don't know what they put on there, but it's absolutely damaged now. This is a recurring customer, and they put hand sanitizer on the dash. So I did what I could. Charge a little extra, but it is looking a lot better, and I told them no more hand sanitizer on the dash. So this took a little longer, but the car is looking amazing once again. So if you haven't subscribed already, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next detail. It's 105 right now. I am dying.